Prevention is better than cure. Kapag pinabayaan mo yung sarili mo na kain ng foods na mataas ang sugar, salt, tapos fat intake, as in, at risk ka na atakihin sa puso, magkaka-stroke ka, tsaka magkaka-diabetes at kung ano-ano pa. Kaya habang maaga pa, let's prevent yung mga risks na magkaroon ng heart ailments by taking itong fish oil by Kirkland. Akala nyo, iba siya, pero same siya, Kirkland Signature Fish Oil Blend. Similar siya sa Kirkland na fish oil. Ayan, may kita nyo yung sa picture na ito. Pero yun nga lang, ang pagkakaiba nito is blend siya. Meron siyang mga ibang fish oil na naka-mix dito sa isang soft gel. So, makikita nyo, ganyan yung itsura niya. And this is an ideal food supplement para palabnawin ang ating dugo or blood thinner for us to prevent yung pag-usbong ng heart diseases, magkaka-stroke, kasi mahirap kapag magka-stroke ka, mapaparalisado ka. That's why itong fish oil blend is really recommended, lalo na sa mga kapatid natin na tagi-age 30 or even 40 and above, because they are at risk for developing heart diseases, heart ailments, cardiovascular diseases, na kung saan malabnaw na, hindi na malagkit na yung dugo, I should say. Kaya, eto na yung Kirkland Signature Fish Oil Blend. Para hindi tayo matulad sa ganyan na eksena, yung biglang mahuhugutan ka ng hininga, tapos aatakihin ka na. So, yan yung worst case scenario. And, pag-uusapan natin yung price. So, magkano nga ba ang isang boteng ganito? Which is actually similar din sa plain na fish oil. So, yung fish oil is almost, yung average niya is 1,000 pesos. Ito naman, mas mahal ng konti, 1,200 or 1,003, 1,004. Ayan, depende yan sa seller. And, mabibili nyo to sa Landers, SNR, tapos pwede rin sa mga online stores, sa Lazada, Shopee, sa Health PH. Ayan, may mga online din na sellers na kung saan pwede kang bumili ng ganito. Kirkland Signature Fish Oil Blend. Pero kapag sa online ka kasi bibili, make sure na yung seller has the best rating, yung 5 yung rating niya. Tapos, lalong-lalo na kapag marami siyang reviews. Kapag maraming review yung seller, it means legit yung seller and legit yung product. So, since ito naman is nabili namin sa Landers, kaya ayan, nakikita nyo, legit na legit siya. Never nagbebenta ng peke ang Landers or even sa SNR. So, ngayon, if you flip back natin itong camera para makikita nyo yung close-up view ng boteng ito. Ito na po ang close-up view ng ating main product. So, Kirkland Signature 100% wild fish oil blend with Alaskan salmon oil 1,000 milligrams. So, we have here EPA, DHA as naturally formed triglycerides, which is a protein compound beneficial for our cardiovascular system. And these are the compounds that help support cardiovascular health and brain function. Makikita nyo dito, new label look and quality, purity, potency. Source of omega-3 fatty acids for the maintenance of good health. Helps support cardiovascular health and brain function. Kaya, ang omega-3 kasi helps to support heart health and brain health and blood health. Kapag healthy ang inyong cardiovascular system, magiging safe ang inyong heart, blood vessel, and ang inyong brain. O, diba? So, dito is adult dosage if you are 19 years and older, 3 soft gels daily or as prescribed by your physician. So, wait lang. Ayusin ko lang yung paghawak ko. And sabi dito is keep out of reach of children. Do not use if seal under cap is broken. So, alam naman natin lahat to kapag nag-check tayo ng product, make sure na may seal is intact and dapat naka-place siya away from the window or any warm or very hot na area. So, each enteric soft gel contains medicinal ingredients which is 100% wild fish oil. Yan. And then, yung mga fish oil are from anchovy, yung dilis, sardine, or mackerel with Alaskan salmon oil. So we have here omega-3 fatty acids, 300 milligrams, EPA and DHA. So i-try natin i-pronounce. Yung EPA is eicosapentaenoic acid. Wow, na-pronounce ko. 180 milligrams. And then DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, 120 milligrams. O, diba? So, from 100% wild fish, not farmed, molecularly distilled, ultra-purified. Ayan. And meron siyang non-medicinal ingredients, sorbitol, the alpha-tocopherol. So, may vitamin E siya, vitamin E. And no artificial flavors or colors, no yeast, no lactose, no gluten, no sodium, no hydrogenated oil, no GMO, o diba? No lahat. So, it is very, very natural, organically made. And 360 clear enteric soft gel. So, as in, mauubos mo siya in 1 year. So, pwede mo siyang pagsabihin sa vitamin E. So, this is the new label. Look. O, diba? Ang dami, ha? And then, I mean, yung ibang ganito is, may kita man talagang original. Kung French yung nasa likod niya. So, ganyan. So, yung iba French, yung iba ganito rin na same din na parang naulit. So, this is liver fish oil. O, diba? Now, it is time for demonstration. Kaya, bubuksan natin. Siyempre, alam nyo na nagamit na. Bubuksan natin. And then, siyempre, nabuksan yung seal niya. Ayan. Ayaw kasi nila na tanggalin ito. Kaya, as in, parang proof na well-sealed siya. Tapos, kukuha po tayo. Isang, so, medyo malaki. Similar siya sa vitamin E na ganito kalaki. And if you're going to smell it, walang smell. O, diba? And, syempre, if you're going to taste it, kapag iti-taste mo siya, wala din siyang taste. So, para i-taste and i-swallow natin siya, para minsanan na. So, iinumin natin gamit ang ating malaking tumbler. So, big plus big equals biggest. O, diba? Ayan. So, ito yung ginagamit kong tumbler kapag nag-duty para hindi nila ako pagkamalan na nagdanakaw ng kanilang water jug. So, this one. And kapag malaki kasi, big is better. Kaya dapat pumili kayo ng malaki and medyo mataba. O, diba? And now, we're going to taste and as well as swallow it. Mmm! Mmm! Ayun, mabibilaukan ka talaga sa laki. Kaya, maganda talaga kapag malaki because it siksik sa laman. And kapag siksik sa laman, siguradong manunurish. And it can really prevent na magka-develop ka ng heart disease, stroke, magiging hindi maiiwasan yung pagkalapot ng inyong bloodstream. Pero, ayan, medyo may tubig pa sa labi ko. Ayan. So, medyo malaki, di ba? So, big and big. Tapos, I have a contraindication. Yung contraindication kapag nag-take ka ng ganito, yung una sa lahat is if you're suffering from dengue. Ang dengue kasi is a viral condition wherein yung virus is tinutunaw niya yung blood products sa inyong bloodstream. Kaya parang yung platelets mo bumababa, tapos magiging parang tubig na, yung malabnaw na, super labnaw na yung dugo mo. And bawal talaga siya dito kasi nagpapalabnaw siya, blood thinner ito. So, mas lalong magkakaroon ng problema. And then, number 2 is kapag katatapos mo lang magpa-surgery ng kahit na anong procedure, medical surgery, kasi nga, we are preventing bleeding. So, hindi siya pwede kapag katatapos mo lang mag-opera kasi you need to let your wound heal muna bago ka mag-take nito. Kasi may hirapan mag-heal yung wound kapag, ayan, kapag fresh siya, lalo na at pinipigilan natin yung bleeding. Similar din sa dengue kasi at risk ka sa bleeding. So, yun yung contraindication kapag nag-take ka nito. Ayan. And consult your doctor, lalong-lalo na if meron ka ng existing comorbidities or sakit na. That's why, ayan, prevention is better than cure pa rin. No, di ba? And yun po yung advice ko. Always na keep this bottle in a safe place because medyo malaki siya and it can be at risk of choking kapag yung mga bata is, wow, what's this? It's like a candy. O, di ba? Medyo gummy kasi yung itsura niya. So, pagkakamalang, candy siya. That's why, keep out of reach of children. Ayun, guys. And, ang benefits talaga nito is, ang isa pa, since malakas yung, meron siyang vitamin E, nakakapagpaalis din siya ng pimples. So, aside from preventing heart ailments or heart attack, it can also prevent acne or pimple breakout. Yan. Kaya good for siya sa skin with vitamin E. So, yung non-medicinal niya is vitamin E, di-alpha tocopherol. O, diba? And talagang, yes, I recommend this product sa inyo guys. And ang maganda pa, it prevents wrinkles, it prevents yung, alam mo yon, magiging kulubot yung skin, i-prevent niyang magkulubot ang skin mo. So, that's why fish oil blend or yung fish oil na plain is recommended din po sa mga gustong mag-prevent ng heart ailments or yung mga at risk na magkaroon ng stroke. So, that's all guys. I hope nagustuhan nyo itong vlog ko. And if you want more, just subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment down below for more feedbacks, comments, suggestions. And then, reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter, The Story of Anthony. So, that would be all guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, huwag maging pasaway, and I love you all.